Here, I'm going to show you a pear bird very quickly, very simple to do. First, decide what's going to be the top and the bottom. You want to give a nice angle to the pear with a quick cut like this. Okay. Okay, adding a couple of black peppercorns for the eyes. Just pop them right in there. Ah, the pear bird. Hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a wonderful day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look.